Vietnamese Dong surges to $4.78 in U.S. markets, a global financial shift unfolds. Hello and welcome back to Dinar Current. On this historic day in August, we are witnessing an extraordinary financial development that has captured the world's attention and ignited intense discussions among currency holders and analysts. For years, the Vietnamese Dong has been viewed as a low-valued currency despite Vietnam's strong economic progress. Now, in a stunning move, the Dong has suddenly appeared on major U.S. financial platforms at a rate of $4.78, a development that is shaking the entire currency market. This is not a rumor or speculation. The numbers are live, appearing on reputable banking systems and forex feeds, giving this breakthrough unprecedented credibility. Why this matters? Vietnam's economy has been booming for years, driven by rapid industrialization, international trade partnerships, and its growing role in global supply chains. Yet its currency value never seemed to reflect these strengths, until now. The sudden surge to $4.78 per dong represents far more than just a market shift. It signals a realignment of currency values with underlying economic fundamentals. Investors and analysts who long argued the dong was undervalued are finally seeing confirmation. A carefully managed event. Reports suggest that U.S. exchange centers are already scheduling controlled appointments for large dong holders, pointing to an organized rollout rather than a chaotic market swing. This approach helps maintain stability, reduce speculation, and ensure the financial system adapts smoothly to the new reality. The timing is also notable. The Iraqi dinar is showing subtle signs of upward movement at the same moment, fueling speculation that this is part of a larger, coordinated global currency reset. Vietnam's rise on the world stage. Vietnam has been strategically preparing for this moment by expanding its gold reserves, strengthening trade agreements, establishing itself as a critical global manufacturing hub. The dong's revaluation not only boosts Vietnam's purchasing power and investment appeal but also strengthens the global financial landscape by creating more balanced and asset-backed currency systems. A signal of a global currency reset. The simultaneous activity of both the dong and the dinar has convinced many that we are witnessing the first stage of a long-discussed global financial realignment. Central banks and governments may have been coordinating behind the scenes for years, and now, those preparations are becoming visible to the public. This isn't just about Vietnam. It's about a worldwide recalibration designed to bring currencies in line with true economic strength. Proceed with caution. While the $4.78 rate is extremely exciting, investors should remain cautious. Special negotiated exchange rates or structured contracts may provide even greater returns. Public rates often appear only for limited windows of time to manage liquidity and market impact. Rushing into an exchange without understanding the fine print could mean missing out on better opportunities. Patience, preparation, and trusted information are the keys to navigating this rare moment in history. The bigger picture. A stronger dong and an appreciating dinar will send ripples across global trade, investments, and economic stability. Businesses will adjust contracts, investors will rebalance portfolios, and everyday people will eventually feel the impact of these shifts in global finance. This development is no longer theoretical, it is happening live. For those who have waited years for evidence of revaluation, this is a defining confirmation. A turning point in financial history. As the Vietnamese dong shows at $4.78 on U.S. platforms, the world is being ushered into a new financial era. With the Iraqi dinar close behind, this moment could mark the start of a true global reset. The influence of past policies, including those during Donald Trump's presidency, which emphasized trade fairness and currency alignment, may have laid the groundwork for what we are now seeing unfold. Final thoughts. The long wait for revaluation appears to be ending. The Vietnamese dong has broken through with a rate that few expected to see so suddenly, and the Iraqi dinar may not be far behind. This is a historic opportunity but also a test of patience and discernment. Staying informed, calm, and strategic will determine how successfully currency holders navigate this once-in-a-lifetime event. We will continue bringing you the latest verified updates on this monumental financial transformation as it develops. Thanks for watching.